Great white sharks. First of all, we will go deep into the startling world of great white sharks. These are one of the ocean's most formidable predators. These magnificent creatures are iconic symbols of power and grace in the marine ecosystem. They have captivated the imagination of ocean enthusiasts and researchers for a long time. Great white sharks, scientifically known as Coccodoncoccarias, are apex predators that rule the oceans with their streamlined bodies, razor-sharp teeth, and remarkable hunting prowess. Found in almost all coastal and offshore waters, these sharks are renowned for their distinct features: a robust, torpedo-shaped body, a grayish-blue dorsal surface, and a stark white belly. These distinct features help them in camouflaging from above and below. This is also a testament to their evolutionary adaptation for hunting. Physical attributes and adaptations. Their physical attributes are remarkable. Rows of serrated teeth up to 3 inches long are designed for gripping and tearing prey effortlessly. Their powerful tails enable swift movements, make them agile hunters. They can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Additionally, their keen senses, including an exceptional sense of smell and electroreception, contribute to their hunting efficiency, allowing them to detect even the faintest scent of blood from miles away. Hunting techniques and prey. Great white sharks are strategic hunters that often rely on ambush tactics. They breach the water's surface with incredible force by launching themselves at seals and sea lions, who are their primary prey. Their calculated approach and lightning-fast strikes make them apex predators in their food chain, regulating the marine ecosystem by controlling the population of their prey species. Social structure and communication. While traditionally seen as solitary hunters, recent research suggests that great white sharks exhibit social behaviors. They like gathering in loose groups and displaying complex interactions. Their communication involves body language, postures, and subtle movements, indicating dominance, submission, or courtship, enhancing our understanding of their social dynamics, conservation status, and importance. Despite their fearsome reputation, great white sharks face significant threats, primarily from human activities such as overfishing, bycatch, and trophy hunting. Understanding their vital role in maintaining the ocean's balance is crucial, as these predators help control the populations of marine species, ensuring the health of the entire ecosystem. After having a deep insight of the great white shark, let's move at our other subject of today's video, which are orcas. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are apex predators in the ocean. They belong to the dolphin family and are highly intelligent mammals. Orcas are characterized by their distinctive black and white coloration, with a sleek, torpedo-shaped body. They have powerful tails and strong, sharp teeth used for hunting. They might seem very innocent when you look at them, but they are much more than cute face, habitat, and range. Orcas are found in oceans worldwide, from polar regions to tropical seas. They prefer colder, nutrient-rich waters, making them prevalent in places like Antarctica, the Arctic, and coastal regions. Social structure. Orcas live in tight-knit, matrilineal pods led by older females. These pods can consist of multiple generations and can have up to 40 individuals. Within the pod, communication is vital and occurs through vocalizations, body language, and echolocation. Feeding habits. Orcas are carnivorous predators, known to hunt various prey, including fish, seals, and even larger marine mammals like whales. They employ sophisticated hunting techniques, such as cooperative hunting, where they work together to herd and capture prey. Intelligence and culture. Orcas exhibit high levels of intelligence and have complex social behaviors. They display cultural traits unique to specific pods, including distinct vocal dialects, hunting strategies, and even play behaviors. This cultural diversity highlights their advanced cognitive abilities, reproduction, and family bonds. Female orcas give birth to a single calf after a lengthy gestation period of approximately 17 months. Calves rely heavily on their mothers for several years, emphasizing the strong family bonds within the pod. While orcas are not considered endangered, they face threats such as pollution, habitat loss, and disturbance from human activities. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats and ensuring sustainable prey populations. The face-off unveiled. Here comes the pat we all have been waiting for. In this electrifying segment, we witness the grand encounter between the great white sharks and the orcas as they clash in a battle for supremacy. The tension in the underwater world gets palpable when these incredible creatures come face to face to showcase their unparalleled skills and strategies. Let's look what happens when these two rivals face each other. Initial encounter. As the great white sharks and orcas cross paths, a wave of anticipation fills the ocean. The sharks, known for their speed and agility, assess the situation, their streamlined bodies gliding gracefully through the water. On the other side, the orcas, with their remarkable intelligence and cooperative nature, form a tactical formation, ready to outmaneuver their opponents. Strategies unleashed. The face-off unfolds in a display of nature's brilliance. The great white sharks utilize their bursts of speed, aiming to evade the orcas' precise teamwork. With lightning-fast strikes, the sharks attempt to catch their prey off guard, showcasing the power behind their iconic jaws. Meanwhile, the orcas, working together seamlessly, employ their intelligence to predict the sharks' movements. They communicate with astonishing efficiency, orchestrating their attacks with precision. Cooperative hunting. In a fascinating twist, the orcas reveal their cooperative hunting prowess. By coordinating their movements and vocalizations, they create a barrier, preventing the sharks from escaping easily. This teamwork allows them to strategically tire out the sharks, gradually gaining the upper hand in this high-stakes underwater battle. Adaptations in action. Both species demonstrate their evolutionary adaptations in real time. The great white shark's keen sense of smell helps them detect changes in the water, enabling them to sense danger. Conversely, the orca's echolocation skills allow them to map the surroundings and anticipate the shark's movements, showcasing the incredible sensory abilities that have evolved over millions of years. As the face-off reaches its climax, the outcome becomes clear: a delicate balance between predator and prey. The encounter highlights the intricate web of survival strategies and adaptations that have developed in these creatures over generations. It provides valuable insights into the ongoing evolution of these magnificent species, emphasizing the importance of these encounters in shaping their behaviors and abilities. Coping strategies. All right, so when it comes to facing off, these great white sharks and orcas have some seriously cool coping tricks up their fins and tails. Let's analyze these amazing skills. Stealth and ambush. Sharks, you see, they're all about stealth. They lurk, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. With their streamlined bodies and sharp senses, they surprise their prey, darting in lightning-quick attacks. Strategic cooperation. Now, orcas, they're the tactical geniuses of the ocean. They work together, using signals and communication. By surrounding their prey and working in teams, they create a trap, making sure no one gets away. Countermeasures and adaptations. But sharks are no pushovers. They can sense changes in the water. Their sharp noses give them a heads up when orcas are nearby. This way, they can plan their escape and avoid face-offs. Escape strategies. When things get heated, both sides have their getaway moves. Sharks dash away with incredible speed, zigzagging to safety. Orcas, they're agile, changing directions swiftly, making it super tough for the sharks to catch up. Continuous learning and evolution. These face-offs, they're like school for these sea creatures. Each encounter teaches them something new. It's all about learning and adapting. These battles are what keep them sharp and at the top of their game. Resolution and adaptation. Alright, folks, buckle up, because we are now going to know what happens after the dust settles. It's not just about the battle. It's about what comes next, how these amazing creatures adapt, and what it all means in the grand scheme of nature, the outcome. So, what goes down after these face-offs? Well, it varies. Sometimes, the Shocks manage to escape the clever orcas, using their speed and agility to slip away. Other times, the orcas' teamwork pays off, and they get their meal. It's like a high-stakes game in the ocean, and every encounter teaches them something new, post-face-off behaviors. Now, here's the interesting bit. After the face-off, both Shocks and orcas go back to their routines, but they've learned something valuable. Shocks might become more cautious, avoiding areas where they've encountered orcas before. Orcas, on the other hand, might refine their hunting strategies, becoming even more efficient predators. Impact on the ecosystem. But here's the thing, these face-offs have a ripple effect on the whole ocean. When orcas hunt Shocks, it affects the shark population, which, in turn, affects the prey they hunt. It's like a domino effect, and it keeps the entire ecosystem in check, ensuring a balance in the underwater world. Survival and evolution. Survival is the name of the game, my friends. These encounters push both species to evolve and adapt constantly. It's like a never-ending challenge, and the ones who adapt the best, they come out on top. It's the law of nature in action. The fittest survive.